here we got the old piece out. It was pretty worn out, had holes in it and stuff, and pretty much had to cut that out. So, all right, so now we're gonna put a new one in. Like this. Let's go ahead and get everything ready. Yep. Put that plumber's putty on there. All right, so let's have a look. So we replaced this whole the drain piece here. It was all broke up and brand new. These pipes were okay, so no need to mess with them. They're fine. And run a little water. Okay, it drains. Check for leaks anywhere. Dry. Got a little extra tightening. Tight. Looks good. There'll be no more leaks there. Looks good. Alright, so the pipe was here and it was missing somehow. The wrong size pipe or something. And then this was all ate up. So we're gonna go ahead and replace all that. Alright, get that measured up. Alright. New stuff we need. Alright, so for a drain pipe, we put one of those on. Slip that in, just like so. And then that's gonna be going in there like that. But let's dry fit that and cut it to here. I'm gonna mark that off and then cut it. Interesting, I don't have a pen nowhere. There's got pens everywhere. Alright, let's dry fit it out. So it's gonna go right about there, and then that's gonna come into there, right about there. All right. Let's get the pipe cutter. All right. Start cutting it. Boom. Okay, everything's draining good. Check out for leaks. No leaks, no leaks. Looks good.